Okay na.
Sino, alright, sino ang mga partners ng ToyCon for this launch? For this launch. Who are sige, sir. Sir. So kung hindi 23,
ang hindi
21, ano pangalan? Mariano. Mark, pang ilang taon na ang ToyCon this year? 22!
Yeah, thank you. Congrats. Yes, this is our 22nd year. Grabe. Oo nga, kilala nyo, we celebrated our big 20th anniversary back in 2023. So, 2025, this is our 22! Year 22!
So para sa mga math enthusiasts, calendar year -3.
Yeah.
X minus 3 equals ToyCon's age.
Okay. So, okay lang, you can just keep trying na yung mga tics.
Or ano ba? Number 10?
Sige.
Number 10. So, syempre ang ToyCon, para sa laruan tayo, meron tayong sariling mascot. Yes or no? Yes, di ba? Ano pong pangalan ng ating
Ikaw si Diyos Chan?
mascot?
Ano pangalan ng ToyCon mascot?
Ano name mo?
Si Noemi.
Bani.
TCO2.
Okay, congratulations. Bakit TCO2?
Operator ko, pumunta drawing ako.
Yeah?
Actually, mag-collab ko yung 20th anniversary ng Asenso Kapinoy.
You did the full
characters. She has cosplayed Mikasa from Attack on Titan, Asagari from Sakamoto Days, and Nico Robin from One Piece. She has done ramp modeling and now focuses on digital ads like that of Aesthetic Linux. If you've been to one, you've probably seen her already. Let's welcome Danny Evans! Cosplayer for our first batch, no? First batch pa lang to. Zero starting. Alright, ladies, pose for our fans. Started cosplaying 3 years ago and specialized in gaming and anime characters. She crafts her costume and style her own ways. She says her dream cosplay are mecha cosplays and one of them is Lunox of Mobile Legends. Please welcome Sia Rose. And eto, tara, ladies, dito po tayo sa kita, no? Parang kilalanin natin mabuti ang ating mga cosplayers. Please proceed in the center. At ito ba? Meow! Smurf ka pala. Wala pala. Sige, ito magpunta na kayo dito sa may center. Dito na tayo. Buti na mga kalimutan. Thank you so much for pala. Meow Meow, or simply Meow, is a Filipino cosplayer who enjoys sharing her love for anime, video and mobile games, and pop culture with her audience. Meow has cosplayed many characters ranging from classic anime favorites like Miyaka Yuki and Magical Princess Cha-Cha, Gun-Building Girl, crushes such as Rappy, Killjoy, and Diva, to tenders idols like Kurosawa Dia and Hoshino Ai, and many more. Her Reina Mishima garnered quite the positive attention from the Tekken community, with Meow being the first one cosplay the character way ahead of the games to this day. Equipped with an imaginative mind and active hands, Meow is a crafter who creates most of her costumes and weapons. Her most recent favorite creation is her Tekken 8 Asuka Kazama, which she debuted at Rev Major 2023. Please welcome Meow Meow! Anime fans! Eto na! So ito na, let's kilalanin natin ang ating mga first batch batch of cosplayers. And dito po tayo, ladies. Please proceed in the center of the stage. Ayan, ito na po yung 5. Parang Miss Universe na nga natin, eh, no? Okay, ito yung mic. Papasa na lang po mamaya. Okay. Ang aking first questions para sa inyo lahat, no? As a cosplayer, what has been one of your most memorable interaction with a fan? So lahat tayo may fans, no? So batch namin dati, kami-kami mga fans, mga barkada. By this time, dahil uso na ang YouTube, Facebook, and any social media. So ano yung most memorable interaction with you, with the fans? Mike? Meron po tayo Mike, sorry. Okay, before tayo mag-start, magpakilala po ulit tayo. Mike po, Mike. Ayan. Go ahead. Interaction mo with the fans. Ano yung mga hindi mo makakalimutan na memories with your fans? Mm-hmm. Wow! So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga natatanggap mo from fans galing pa outside of the country.
Yes.
And your memorable is coming from Taiwan. Saan mo nilalagay yung mga memorabilia na natatanggap mo?
Nasa kwarto ko.
Sa kwarto mo lang. Ayan. Siguro may isa yan from Malaysia, from Taiwan. Ayan. So, thank you so much. Thank you. Next, sige. Pakilala ka ulit before you answering the question.
Hi, I'm Ayamo. The most interaction memorable sa akin is yung pag nagbubay sila ng merch sa akin. Akala nila inaaway ko sila kay Bibi.
Bakit mo naman kasi inaaway?
Hindi, ano lang, pabiro, bawal ba yun?
Ayo, pabiro lang naman.
Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
Ayun, pero natutuwa naman sila sa akin kasi masaya, nakikipagbiroan ako, nakikipagbiroan din sila, tapos nag-i-iip sila. Hindi
Ayun.
memorable sa akin.
Ayun. Thank you so much. Alright, we go to our next cosplayer. Go ahead. Open ba yung mic? Sunny? Open ba yung mic ni Sunny? Ano yung kay Sunny?
Hello everyone, I am Sunny Roshni. I am cosplaying Freeren. The most memorable moment for me is actually every moment spent with every supporter. Each moment with them is always memorable. Like when they give me a merch, simple or expensive, it's always memorable because it came from them, it came from their heart. Also, I've also received a handwritten letter and I always appreciate